Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating topic: how to heal your body, burn fat, and even fight disease using fasting and just 6 powerful foods. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, the science behind this is incredible, and we'll explore exactly how you can unlock these benefits. We'll break down everything in a simple way so that by the end, you'll have the tools to start using fasting to your advantage, whether you're new to it or already experienced. Before we dive in, take a moment to think. How often do we give our bodies a break? I mean, a real break. No snacking, no constant digestion. That's where the magic of fasting comes in. Let's explore how this works and how certain foods can make the journey smoother. Let's start with autophagy, which is a bit like your body's natural recycling process. If you think about it, your body is constantly working, digesting food, repairing cells, and defending itself from illnesses. But like any machine, it builds up wear and tear over time. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out old, damaged cells to make way for new, healthier ones. Here's an example. Imagine your body is like a cluttered office. Every day, paperwork piles up, old files collect dust, and before long you're overwhelmed. Autophagy is like hiring an efficient cleaner who comes in, gets rid of all the old junk, and leaves you with a fresh, organized space. You perform better, and everything flows more smoothly. Fasting helps trigger this process. When you fast, your body essentially tells itself, okay, nothing's coming in, time to focus on repair. Practical example. Let's say you're dealing with low energy and brain fog. By fasting for 16 to 24 hours, you give your body the opportunity to clean out damaged cells, especially in your brain. This can improve mental clarity, focus, and even memory. People often report feeling sharper and more energetic after implementing fasting into their routine. Adding myth busting. There's a common misconception that if you don't eat regularly, your metabolism will slow down or you'll lose muscle. But studies show that short-term fasting, especially in the 12 to 24-hour range, actually boosts growth hormone, which helps preserve muscle mass while enhancing fat burning. So if you've been avoiding fasting for fear of losing muscle, this might change your mind. Many people confuse fasting with starving, but there's a crucial difference. Starving is when your body is deprived of nutrients for an extended period, leading to malnutrition. Fasting, on the other hand, is controlled, intentional, and actually nourishes your body in a different way. It allows your body to tap into stored energy, your fat, while repairing itself. Consider this. Most of us are in a constant fed state. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, more snacks, dinner. We never let our bodies rest. Fasting allows your body to take a break from digesting food and instead focus on healing. Storytelling example. I once heard about someone who tried fasting as a last resort after years of struggling with digestive issues and chronic fatigue. They started with just 16-hour fasts, then slowly worked their way up to 24-hour fasts once a week. Within months, they noticed not only was their digestion improving, but they had more energy than ever before. And guess what? They didn't change anything about what they ate during their eating window. They just let their body rest from constant digestion. Here's where the magic of fasting really shows up. Let's break down the benefits by hour 12 hours. This is the starting point where your body begins using up its stored glucose. You might still feel hungry here, but don't worry, it's part of the process. 16 hours. By now, your body is switching into fat-burning mode. You're producing ketones, which fuel your brain and make you feel more focused. This is why many people who practice intermittent fasting report mental clarity. Real-life tip. If you find it hard to fast for 16 hours at first, start by pushing your breakfast back by an hour each day. Gradually, your body will adapt. Once you hit that 16-hour mark regularly, your hunger fades, and the benefits kick in. 24 hours. At this point, you're resetting your gut. Think of it as a detox for your digestive system. You may feel lighter, less bloated, and even experience clearer skin as your body clears out waste and regenerates cells in the gut lining. Story expansion. Let's say you've been struggling with bloating or digestive issues. After just one 24-hour fast, many people report feeling like they've hit the reset button. That's because fasting allows the body to repair the gut without the constant flow of food. 36 to 48 hours. This is where the body shifts gears to burning stubborn fat, especially around the belly. Plus, it begins boosting dopamine receptors in your brain, making you feel happier and more motivated. This can be a game changer for anyone dealing with mood disorders or depression. Practical example. If you've ever been stuck in a weight loss plateau, adding a 36-hour fast once a month can help kickstart fat burning in areas that are hard to reach through exercise alone. 72 hours. By now, your immune system is getting a full reboot. This longer fast should only be done a couple of times a year, but it's powerful. It allows your body to get rid of old immune cells and regenerate new ones. Myth-busting expansion. Many people fear long fasts, thinking they'll feel exhausted or lose muscle. But the truth is, studies show that fasting boosts energy levels as your body adapts to using fat for fuel. Plus, fasting doesn't harm muscle. Your body knows to prioritize fat burning over muscle loss when done correctly. Now let's talk about what to eat when you do break your fast. These 6 foods not only complement fasting but also amplify its benefits. 1. Avocado. This nutrient-dense fruit is packed with healthy fats that help keep you full. When you break a fast with avocado, it curbs hunger and stabilizes your blood sugar. Plus, it's easy to prepare. Just slice one in half, sprinkle some salt, and you're good to go. Practical tip. Try pairing avocado with probiotic foods like kimchi or sauerkraut. This combo boosts gut health and promotes weight loss by feeding the good bacteria in your digestive system. 2. Cacao. Dark chocolate lovers, rejoice. Cacao is rich in antioxidants that support cellular health. When you choose a high-quality dark chocolate with 70% or more cacao, you're helping your body fight oxidative stress. 3. Coffee. Black coffee is not just a morning pick-me-up, it also stimulates autophagy. But remember, it's important to go organic and mold-free to avoid adding toxins to your system. Pro tip. If you find black coffee too harsh, try adding a tablespoon of MCT oil to boost fat burning and ease the transition into ketosis. 4. Green tea. Another fantastic fasting drink, green tea is gentle on the stomach and promotes autophagy. Plus, it has calming properties, making it a great afternoon drink to curb hunger. 5. Olive oil. This kitchen staple is full of anti-inflammatory benefits. Use it cold to avoid turning it into an inflammatory fat. Drizzle it over salads, roasted vegetables, or even as a dip for whole grain bread. 6. Curcumin. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and aiding in cell renewal. You can add it to smoothies, juices, or even sprinkle it over your dinner. The key to success with fasting is to treat it like a long-term lifestyle choice rather than a quick fix. You don't have to go all in right away. Start with intermittent fasting, build up to longer fasts, and incorporate these 6 foods to maximize the benefits. By doing this, you're allowing your body to heal, regenerate, and burn fat more effectively. You'll feel more energized, focused, and resilient over time. And remember, this isn't just about weight loss or health. It's about letting your body do what it was designed to do, thrive. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and insights into living a healthier life. I upload new videos regularly, so hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.